in this class we are going to learn about the method to find the area of the shaded region of the given figure. Okay, children, and here the class of today goes like this. Look there, and first one. In first one, this figure, this bigger figure is rectangle, which is okay here A B C D, and the smaller figure which is not shaded or is what there E F G D, or you can get D E F G. Question is asking us to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, when you find the area of shaded region, we have to find the area bigger one first, bigger rectangle, which is suppose here A1. Then find the area of smaller rectangle, which is suppose here A2. And from big rectangle, if we subtract small rectangle here, then we will get area of shaded region. Okay, are you clear, children? When we subtract this area of small rectangle from area of bigger rectangle, you will get area of shaded region. Now, bigger rectangle is here L into B. Weight 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Product is 96 centimeter square. Then, small rectangle is there. Small rectangle is there what? Length is 5 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. Then when you find the area of smaller rectangle, that suppose A2, length is 5, breadth is 3, and it will be 15 centimeter square. Then when you subtract A1 minus A2, 96 centimeter square minus 15 centimeter square, you will get 81 centimeter square. Are you clear about this first figure? Are you clear about this first figure?
Yes.
First of all, find the area bigger rectangle, then find the area of small rectangle which is not shaded, and from bigger subtract smaller, then you will get area of shaded region. Okay? Can I move to next slide? Look here. Second one. In this second figure, look here. Bigger one is rectangle. A, B, C, D. Bigger one is rectangle. Okay. Inside this bigger rectangle, there is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, one side is missing here. That is hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. And if you find the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, if you find the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, you use the formula H equals to P square plus B square. You can take any one P, any one B, okay? Other will be B. Then we will get the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Okay? And this right angle triangle hypotenuse is the length of this rectangle. Hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is the length of the rectangle. We have got here 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is the length of the rectangle. Okay, we find this hypotenuse and that is the length. Have you understood? Then, when we find the area of rectangle, it will be 20 into 8. 20 into 8, what will be there? 160 centimeters square. Then, that is A1. Then, not shaded part is area of triangle. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Base you can take 12 and height will be taken 16. Then area of this triangle will come. That suppose A2. A2 suppose this one, not shaded one. Then from big one, A1, that is rectangle's area. From that rectangle area, if you subtract area of this triangle, then you will get this shaded region. Are you clear, children, about this question? And look here, we have to do like this. What I told just now, it is shown here. Area of rectangle is 160 centimeters square. Area of triangle is coming 1 by 2 base into height, that is 96 centimeters square. When we subtract this A1 minus A2, then you will get the area of shaded region. Are you clear? Hello children, please show the response. Are you clear
No,
about?
sir.
Okay.
No, sir, no.
Bigger one is rectangle. Okay. Small one is triangle. From big rectangle subtract triangle, then answer will come of shaded region. Okay. I am again showing you here. In this rectangle one, this length we find by using Pythagoras formula. Perpendicular is 16, base is 12. Then find hypotenuse by using Pythagoras formula. Okay, this formula, then we will get 20. 20 is the length of the rectangle and 8 is the breadth of the rectangle. Then when you find the multiplication of length and breadth, you will get the area
What
of
is the reference angle?
Sorry?
Reference angle.
We here if there is no reference angle, then we don't take here perpendicular one and base one on a definite one. We can choose any one perpendicular, then next will be base. Okay, but hypotenuse will be fixed. 90-degree opposite side is hypotenuse fixed. This hypotenuse is the length of the rectangle that is found and so there like this. Area of shaded region is A1 minus A2. A1 is rectangle, A2 is triangle. If you subtract them, you will get 64 centimeters square as the area of shaded region. I hope you are clear now.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now look here. Next question. In this question, bigger one is trapezium. Bigger one is trapezium. Not shaded one is triangle. From trapezium, if you subtract triangle, you will get the area of shaded region. Okay. You know area of trapezium equals to what? 1 by 2 into height into B1 plus B2. 1 by 2 into height is what there? 4. B1 is 9, base 1 and the base is base 2, that is 15. We get the area of trapezium. area of trapezium is 48 centimeter square. Are you clear about this area of trapezium? Now here also we don't need to take the reference angle. This is right angle triangle. Then if there is no reference angle, we can take any one base and one height. Okay. Then we can find out the area of this right angle triangle by using which formula? Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Okay. Base is taken 9, height is taken 4. 2, 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18. Okay. And it is 18 centimeter square. 18 centimeter square is the area of triangle. Now, area of shaded region means area of trapezium is A1, area of triangle is A2. A1 minus A2 will come here 30 centimeter square. Are you clear? Hello children. Have you understood this solution?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now let's move to next one. Here I am explaining this homework. Listen, this 3 centimeter is not this side, okay? This 3 centimeter is the height of this parallelogram. I am telling first it. This 3 centimeter is the height of this parallelogram inside one. Now I am explaining this 4 question. Listen to me very carefully. How to find the area of this shaded region? Look there. In this first figure, look here. In this first figure, this bigger figure is trapezium. Bigger figure is trapezium. Right? Area of trapezium is what? 1 by 2 height. Height is 4. B1 is 8 centimeter. B2 is 12 centimeter. Then area of trapezium will come. That's suppose A1. Then area of equilateral triangle, square root 3 by 4 into L square. Then find the area of this equilateral triangle. You can find out this area in decimal. Then area of shaded region is A1 minus A2. Then how to do question number 2? Look here. This is parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. That's why this is 11 centimeter and down one also will be 11 centimeter. Base will be 11 centimeter. This is the base for the triangle and the parallelogram both. Okay children? And after that, we have to find out the area of parallelogram. Base into height. That is A1 suppose. Okay. After that, now find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 11, 8 is height. Then you will get the area of this triangle. Then A1 is this parallelogram, A2 is triangle. Then area of shaded region is A1 minus A2. Then you will find out the area of shaded region. I hope you are clear about this question number 2 also. Are you clear?
No, sir.
I am again telling. What is the base? Can you tell? Opposite sides are equal.
11 centimeter.
Yeah, base is 11. Can you find the area of this big one figure A1, that is parallelogram? Base into height. Height is 8, base 11. That's suppose A1. For the triangle, area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is base into height, and there will be 1 by 2 also. 1 by 2 base into height. then area of triangle will come, that is A2. Then when you find the area of shaded region, then A1 minus A2. A1 was area of parallelogram, A2 was area of triangle. Then if you subtract, then you will get area of shaded region. Have you got my point?
Sir, in next class, can you give us the formula of all diagrams?
Okay, okay, I will give. I will give. I have already prepared that also, okay?
Midas my sir.
Okay, I have prepared that formula one already prepared, and I will show that in my video also, and I will put that all the document in Midas, okay? Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now look at question number 3. I told here this 3 centimeter is not this side, okay? This 3 centimeter is the height of this inside one, height of this inside parallelogram. Okay, I am repeating again. This 3 centimeter is not this side. This 3 centimeter is the height of this parallelogram. Now, can you find out the area of? Can you find out the area of rectangle? Can you find out the area of rectangle? L into B. L into B is the area of
Sir.
rectangle, and that is A1. Then area of parallelogram, what will be? Base into height. I am repeating again. This 3 centimeter is the height, okay? This 3 centimeter is not this side. Here must be drawn one perpendicular, like this straight line perpendicular draw, and write that 3 centimeter. And I am repeating again, this 3 centimeter is not this side. This 3 centimeter is the height of this parallelogram, okay? Then 10 into 3, 30 centimeter square will be the area of this inside one parallelogram. Then area of shaded region is A1 minus A2. If you subtract inside one parallelogram from outside one rectangle, then you will get the area of shaded region. Now I am moving to the question number 4. It is little bit tricky question. Look here. Here is given right angle triangle. It is given right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, 90-degree opposite side is hypotenuse, you know. 90-degree opposite side is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
And 8 centimeter is the perpendicular. Can you find base? Base equals to Pythagoras
Square
formula
minus.
use. Base equals to square root h square minus p square use.
Under.
Okay, base equals to h square minus p square. Square root also there will be. Square root h square minus p square. Then you will get the base. If you know the base, you can find out the area of this right angle triangle now. 1 by 2 base into height. Height is 8 given. Base just found here. 10 square minus 8 square, that will be what? 100 minus 64, that will be 36. That means its base will come 6. Now bigger one is what? Bigger one is square. Area of square is what? Area of square is L square. L square means 8 centimeter square. Length of the square is 8 centimeter. Length of the square is 8 centimeter. Then it will be 8 centimeter square. Okay. Then when you find the area of this triangle, what will be? 1 by 2 base into height. Base we have already found. This is 6 centimeter. This base of the triangle is 6. Height of the triangle is this 8. Then 1 by 2, 6 into 8. Then it will come 8 3 is 24 centimeter square. Then 64 centimeter square minus 24 centimeter square. Then area of shaded region will come. A1 minus A2 do there. Then area of shaded region will come. Have you understood? Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sumit Patel and Om Bhatta. Sumit Patel and Om Bhatta, listen again. I am going to tell you. First of all, I want to request you, I want to inform you to be regular, okay? Be regular in the class. I am especially telling to Sumit Patel and Om Bhatta. This last question is square first. Area of square you can easily find out, that is A1, that is L square. L square means 8 centimeter whole square. 8 centimeter whole square means 8 is 64 centimeter square. Then I told you to find out the base of this triangle, not sided one. Base is, how to find base? Base equals to square root h square minus p square. That means 10 centimeter square minus 8 centimeter square. There is square root also. 100 minus 64, it will come 36, and 36 square root will come 6. Then its base will come 6. Area of this triangle is what will be 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. Base is what just now we found, 6, and height is 8. Then 2 3 is 6, 8 3 is 24. It will come 24. Area of this triangle is 24 centimeter square. Then area of square was 64 centimeter square. Then area of shaded part is A1 minus A2 do. A1 was square, A2 was this triangle. 64 centimeter square minus 24 centimeter square. That will be the area of this shaded region. I hope you have understood now. Om Bhatta, now have you understood? Have you understood now? Have you understood? Okay. Today this much only, and the homework questions you practice. Okay. I have explained just now. And bye bye. We will meet on next class now. See you on next period now.
Bye bye Sutana.
Okay, bye bye children. If you have any queries, then you can ask. We have little bit time there.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye bye Tenzin. Ha ha ha.
Minute छैन अहिले त
Okay.
Hey, कोही
No
छैन.
problem. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye Ankita.